Introduction to the American Language Course Fundamentals, Cards and Posters. Hello, I'm Sophia. Today, I'm going to show you how to use the posters, flashcards, picture cards and word cards that are part of the ALC Fundamentals course. My goal in this tutorial is for you to become comfortable using the ALC Fundamentals in class. Posters, flashcards, picture cards, and word cards are visual aids that help students learn materials by associating the word's written form with its picture. The posters and cards used for all three of the ALC Fundamentals courses units are listed in Appendix D of the instructor text. LN indicates which lesson the materials will be used in, and the number sign represents how many cards are in a set. Some posters and card sets will be used in more than one lesson. In this example, the poster set 1.1.2 commands will be used in lessons 1, 2 and 3. There can be multiple posters and cards used in a single lesson. For lesson 1, the instructor will use 3 posters, letters, commands, and alphabet. Some card sets will be used in more than one lesson. In this example, Set FC, Class 1, is used in lessons 2, 3, and 5. It is the first of 3 sets on this topic, with 9 cards in this set. Card sets correspond to one another. They are both represented by the same letter designator. The capital letter is in one set, while the lowercase letter is in the other. Not all flashcard sets include a matching picture or a word card set.
American Language Course Fundamentals, Posters.
Instructors use posters to introduce and review vocabulary with their class. The Fundamentals course has 19 posters. Posters correspond with the vocabulary of the course. Each class should have its set of posters. Look in the bottom left corner of the poster. PSTR tells us that it's a poster. The first number tells us to which unit the card belongs. This poster is from Unit 1. The second number indicates the first lesson the poster is used. This poster is first used in Lesson 1. The third number indicates the order the poster is presented in the lesson. This poster is the first poster that the instructor will use in this lesson. Finally, the topic or theme of the poster is written. This poster belongs to the topic or theme letters. In the instructor's text are step-by-step instructions on how to use the posters. Let's talk briefly about how posters are used in the Fundamentals course. The instructor page lists the materials needed for the lesson. For this lesson, the instructor will need PSTR 1.1.2 commands. Before the lesson, find the poster and attach it to the wall if possible. The instructor will point at Look on PSTR 1.1.2 commands. The instructor will say. The instructor will elicit Look from the students. If students don't remember, say the word
Look.
Repeat these steps for icons, listen, point, and work together.
American Language Course Fundamentals, Flashcards.
Flashcards are for instructors to introduce and review vocabulary with your class. The Fundamentals course has 34 sets with a total of 267 cards. Flashcards are two-sided, with a picture on one side and its written form on the other. They are larger so that everyone in the class can see them. Look in the bottom right corner of the flashcard. Each set of flashcards is labeled as a set. This flashcard is from Set A. The topic or theme of the flashcard will be written. This flashcard belongs to the topic or theme commands 1. Like the posters, information on which flashcards the instructor will use is found in Appendix D Index of Cards and Posters. Like posters, the ALCF index indicates which lesson the cards will be used. In Unit 1, Lesson 1, there are 4 sets of flashcards. Let's talk briefly about how flashcards are used in the Fundamentals course. For this lesson, the instructor will need flashcard set A, commands, 1. For this activity, the instructor will use the flashcards, circle, point, work together, say, listen, and look. Before the lesson, arrange the flashcards you will present. In this lesson, as the students listen to the audio recording, the instructor shows the students the flashcards. Other times, the instructor will say the word
Look.
And the students will repeat it after the instructor. Look.
American Language Course Fundamentals, Picture and Word Cards.
Picture and word cards are for students to practice the vocabulary individually and in pairs. They allow students to practice their listening and speaking. The ALCF has 37 sets of word cards which consists of 317 cards. It has 25 sets of picture cards which consists of 179 pictures. Picture and word cards correspond with the flashcard set. For example, flashcard set A will correspond with picture and word card sets A. A capital letter indicates a picture set, and a lowercase letter indicates that it is the matching word set. Not all flashcard sets have a matching picture or a word card. In some activities, students will practice their listening by identifying an image on a picture or a word on a word card. In other activities, students will work in pairs practicing saying the vocabulary. Look in the bottom right corner of the picture card. PC tells us that it's a picture card. Each set of picture cards is labeled as a set. This flashcard is from set A. The topic or theme of the picture card will be written. This picture card belongs to the topic or theme commands 1. Like the flashcards and picture cards, look at the top left corner of the instructor text under Materials to see the set to which it belongs. Let's talk briefly about how picture and word cards are used in the Fundamentals course. Before the lesson, open Appendix D Index of Cards and Posters in the instructor's textbook. The Appendix D tells which picture and word cards are used in the lesson. For this lesson, the instructor will need picture set A commands. In this lesson, students listen to an audio recording, then show the picture card they hear. After students complete the listening activity, the instructor passes out a set of picture card set with capital A and word card set with lowercase a to each pair of students. Then, he points to the match icon on the poster 1.1.2 commands and says match.
Match.
Next, the instructor gestures match by holding up a look picture and a look word card to show they match. Use the student text page if the students need help. This concludes the ALC Fundamentals Posters and Cards modules. In this module we discussed posters, flashcards, picture cards, and word cards. If you need to review any topic, select a button below. Introduction to the American Language Course Fundamentals, Cards and Posters.